My favorite part of Duquesne University's nursing program to date has definitely been just how quickly they put you into those clinical experiences and have you doing direct patient care. As you start to go through your clinicals, you're exposed more and more, you're trusted more and more to provide certain skills. You get delegated skills of the nurses that you're working under, and so you start to feel that competence.
Clinicals have been really impactful in this experience for me. We learn about the medication administration in our classes and our labs, but to really have our own patient and be able to give them meds in real life is very different, and it kind of gives you a better glimpse into, what you'd be doing as a nurse in the future. And then other than just the educational purpose, I think clinicals have been really great for me because they kind of showcased what area of nursing I was actually really interested in, and that ended up being pediatrics. So Duquesne has taught me how to approach patient care, not just looking at why they're there medically and treating their diagnosis, but looking at them and being there for them emotionally throughout their journey in the hospital. They need someone on their side, someone to advocate for them in their patient care.
I appreciate that Duquesne University does have that more holistic focus on patient care. Our first semester, we had a course of cultural practices in nursing, so starting to understand different cultural practices and how to ensure that we could provide competent care even when it's a culture that we're not accustomed to. And then this past semester, we had a population health course, which is health in the community. How do we ensure proper community health practices, whether that be screening or community outreach or education? Nursing can encompass so much more within the community.
My favorite part about this nursing program to date is honestly the people that I've met. And I think that's a really big necessity for making it through this program, to have friends that you see every day and, can get that little push from. So the nursing faculty support that I've received at Duquesne has been really great. I've had a few professors that are really helpful and encouraging. For adult health, Professor Colazar, she would actually send me little email messages if I did well on a test, and just keep up the good work, you're doing well. So they've been really great and really helpful, and their door's always open. Their primary goal is really to get you through this program and to do well.
There were a couple of things that really drew me to Duquesne's nursing program. I appreciated that the prereq and application process was really straightforward, and it also has a really great reputation. It's actually pretty affordable in comparison to a lot of other programs. I really like that there was a 12-month option. For me, it was already difficult enough to leave a career and transition into becoming a student again, and so my methodology was kind of to get in, get out, and get working. I do want to work bedside as an RN, ideally in a critical care setting. I feel that Duquesne has prepared me very well for achieving this goal.